Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Jimbo, and today we're going over what I think is the ultimate interior car cleaning guide. It's going to be your one-stop solution for achieving the cleanest, healthiest, and freshest smelling interior possible. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can easily clean, disinfect, and deodorize every surface in your car's cabin using the Jimbo's Complete Cabin Cleaner. Again, the fastest, easiest, and most satisfying way to keep your interior looking factory fresh. So whether you're a car enthusiast, a professional detailer, this is the product you've been waiting for. It's the product I've been working on and developing right here on YouTube. But here's a fact that might surprise you before we get into it. Have you ever thought about how much bacteria is actually inside your car? I looked up a few studies and they show that there can be up to 700 different kinds of bacteria per square inch just on your steering wheel alone. So we need to make sure we get a deep clean on that. And that's more than what you'd find on a public toilet seat. So luckily, the Jimbo's Complete Cabin Cleaner is here to take care of this issue and much more. So you may be asking, what makes the Complete Cabin Cleaner the ultimate problem solver for your interior detailing needs? And really, it's simple. Not only have we developed this product right here on YouTube, and I'll make sure to link all those previous videos below, but this really is an all-in-one product, and it's designed to tackle everything from deodorizing to removing deep stains in carpets, cleaning cup holders, wiping down dashboards, and even getting that nasty grime off your steering wheel. Best of all, it leaves no residue and gives you a beautiful factory matte finish. No extra shiny stuff here, no uneven, streaky, shiny stuff here. It's safe on all surfaces because it's pH neutral, from carpets to tech screens, leather seats, vinyl, dashboards. You name it, the Complete Cabin Cleaner can handle it. And it doesn't just clean, it actually lays down an invisible layer of protection that makes future cleaning faster and easier. Actually showed this and proved it out in a previous video when we applied it to half of a dashboard in Brian's Tesla, and it actually repelled more dust than the side that had none of the cleaner on it. So it is a cleaner and protector, but you are getting no shine. So one of the best features about it, though, is really its flexibility, which is really what I set out to accomplish. So whether you're detailing heavy grime or just performing kind of routine maintenance, there's a dilution ratio for every situation. And that's one of the major upgrades that I've made in the last revisions of this product is the gallon size is going to come in a full concentrate. So if you have heavy soils, you can use it at a 1-to-1 dilution ratio or even straight up for extra cleaning power. If you got medium soils, 4-to-1 works perfectly, and that's what the 16-ounce bottle is pre-diluted in, is 4-to-1. If you have light soils, I recommend a 10-to-1 dilution ratio. And then if you're doing more of a maintenance cleaning, kind of just wiping down, doing your weekly, bi-weekly, monthly wash, 20-to-1 is going to be actually perfect. So again, the 16-ounce bottles come pre-diluted at 4-to-1. Ready to use straight out of the bottle. For the gallon bottles, you can dilute it based on the surface that you're cleaning and your particular needs. So this will be great for the professionals as well as those of you that are DIYers and doing it at home enthusiasts. So it's very simple. You just simply spray the Complete Cabin Cleaner either onto a clean microfiber towel or directly onto the surface. For extremely dirty areas such as like cup holders, heavily soiled carpets, I like to use either a drill brush or some sort of brush to agitate the surface. I usually will pre-soak it, as you see in the video with the battery-powered sprayer. I will pre-soak, letting the chemical do the heavy lifting, like I like to do even with stuff like the Super Soaper. I like to let the chemical do the work, and I can come in after it's done its job. But the Complete Cabin Cleaner is going to attack the dirt and grime and actually separate it from the fibers. So I like to pre-soak it to let the chemical do its job, and then I come back in with a brush to agitate before wiping it down with a microfiber towel. You do not have to worry about rinsing this out of the carpet at all. I do avoid spraying directly onto dashboards or sensitive tech screens. It is safe for those, but instead of spraying directly onto it, it's just much better and a much better habit to get into to actually just spray directly into the towel. So Let's talk about safety for a second. This is one of the things that really doesn't get talked about enough. The Complete Cabin Cleaner, it's free from harsh chemicals, silicones, and all the other nasty stuff that you really want to avoid in your car's interior. This is why an interior cleaner is so much better than just an all-purpose cleaner. All-purpose cleaners are really caustic. You can smell them. They have lingering smells, and they're definitely not as safe as an interior cleaner is. So instead of replacing one bad thing with another, this cleaner actually creates a healthier environment inside your car. But remember, you still need to be smart, because I'm working on customers' cars and there's 700 different types of bacteria per square inch. Just on the steering wheel, I always wear gloves when detailing and be mindful of sensitive surfaces. Obviously, don't, go full concentration if you don't need to. Dilute it down, stretch the product, make it go a little bit further. And sometimes scrubbing too hard with a brush can deteriorate certain areas. Use the least aggressive method first and work your way up if necessary, right? And of course, the goal here is not to create a shiny, greasy mess. No one likes that. My customers don't like it. I don't like it. Unlike some products that leave behind a sticky, dust-attracting residue, this Complete Cabin Cleaner leaves you with a clean, matte finish that looks and feels just like the day you drove your car off the lot. Actually, probably not, because when you drove your car off the lot, dealerships are notorious for gunking up every surface and making them super shiny. So after you drove the car off the lot, drove it home, wiped all that stuff down, got it back to a matte finish. That's what it looks over. So let's get into the nitty gritty. These nasty areas we often forget about, like the steering wheel, cup holders, and the carpets. These spots are magnets for bacteria, grime, and honestly, who knows what else, but we can all smell it when we jump into your car. Am I right? So first up, the steering wheel. Again, this is one of the dirtiest spots in your car. Just think about all the things your hand touched throughout the day, and then you grip the steering wheel. With the Jimbo's Complete Cabin Cleaner, cleaning it is quick and effective. I like to pair it with this Scrub Ninja. Of course, everything I'll have a link below. But whether it's the variety of brushes that I have laid out or the Scrub Ninja, which I like it to contour to the steering wheel, you can just spray a little right into the Scrub Ninja or your microfiber towel if you're just doing kind of more of a maintenance cleaning. Wipe it down and you're good to go. It's not going to make it sticky. It's not going to make it slippery. It's not going to make it anything other than feel really, really nice in your hand. The cup holders is another place where dirt, coffee spills, and crumbs accumulate. Obviously, the front seat of our car also doubles for a lot of people as their dining room table where they like to eat. So for these, you could spray directly onto the cup holder, use a soft bristle brush to scrub, wipe it, clean it down with a towel, and your cup holders are good as new. This is also where you can incorporate steam as well. You can do a little steam action in here, and that really helps if you have some really, really stubborn stains. Finally, we have the carpets. These could be tricky, but not with our cleaner. Simply spray the product onto the carpet, let it sit for a few seconds, agitate with the brush, and watch as the stains literally lift away, leaving the carpet fresh and clean. So again, I like to pre-soak, just like I like to pre-soak the paint on the outside of the car, let the product do the work. And then I love to come in with this carpet brush. This is one of the most effective ways to do it. You could also follow up with a extractor if you wanted to. I decided to follow up with steam just to get some nastier parts out. But you could see this before and after on the carpets that I pulled out of the back seat. This client doesn't have any front mats. They're actually going to get replacement mats. But this nasty brown stain that who knows what it is, pre-soaking it, really, you can almost see it right away start to attack the stain. And then when I hit it with the carpet brush, it completely goes away. So one of the things that I love the most about the Jimbo's Complete Cabin Cleaner is the factory matte finish it leaves behind. Shiny interiors may look good on the showroom floor. I don't think they do, but some people do. But as we all know, they attract dust and can even become slippery or uncomfortable. And then they streak, and it's just a nightmare. So most of my customers that I've realized, and myself included, a matte finish not only keeps the interior looking natural, but it feels much more comfortable and looks cleaner longer. It's just my preference. And so the good thing is if you did want to add some sort of shine, say you took all dressed up and you diluted it like 10-1 and you wanted a little bit of shine on there, you could definitely do that too. And a cleaner surface is going to receive that protection or that dressing much better than a non-clean. So There you have it, the ultimate interior cleaning guide using Jimbo's Complete Cabin Cleaner, which is available now. I will link it below my brand new product. Whether you're cleaning your daily driver or detailing a client's vehicle, this product gets the job done fast, safely, and with zero residue, so nothing that you need to worry about. And the best part, we're so confident you'll love the product. Of course, I offer a 100% lifetime guarantee, so if for any reason you're not completely satisfied, at any moment in time, we buy it back. And honestly, I just use it myself. So that's how much we stand behind this product. And I'm sure the reviews will start to flow in as they do for all my other products. So if you're ready to transform your car's interior, grab a bottle of the Jimbo's Complete Cabin Cleaner at jimbosdetailing.com or Amazon. Your car and everyone who rides into it, honestly, will thank you. So if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another detailing tip. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific interior task that you'd love for me to tackle next. I appreciate it, and I will make sure I link not only the product, but all the previous videos where I actually developed this product, everything from choosing the color to the scent to how much it foams to the current concentrate in the gallon form and everything in between. I appreciate you guys. I really love doing these videos where I develop the products like live on YouTube. I think it's really fun. So thanks for participating in that. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.